Is windshield washer fluid a hygiene item? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
It's November, and chances are you're seeing your first few nights below freezing or 32 degrees. Some of your customers, well, they're probably having issues with their windshield washer solvent and either the jet's not working at all or very low output. What's the problem? Well, typically they've contaminated their washer fluid, so the freezing point is a lot higher. In other words, once it reaches 30 degrees, it starts to freeze in the system and cause issues with the nozzles and also the pump itself. This is critical that they use the right concentration of windshield washer solvent and only windshield washer solvent in the bottle itself. I know you may be saying, it never drops below freezing in my area. Why should I be worried about windshield washer solvent? Well, windshield washer solvent has chemicals inside to control algae and bacteria growth inside the bottle. If algae and bacteria get a foothold inside the bottle, well, it can clog up the pump, the lines, and the nozzles. And getting rid of that algae and bacteria can be very costly. You may have to replace the nozzles and also the pump itself to get rid of the contamination. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.